The process of making a nail begins with the iron nail rod or bar. It's heated in the fire. Once the bar is heated to bright yellow, almost white color, that's when it's ready to be taken to the anvil. The first step in making the shape of the nail is to taper the end of the bar to a long, thin point. The next step is to shoulder the bar, which defines the length of the nail. The nail is then cut by driving that partway through the chisel and breaking it off in the header and flattened with the hammer. And normally the nail is then set on the floor to cool. That whole process from square bar to finished nail takes approximately about 30 seconds.